Hi, all my little chicken tenders. How are you today? I'm here today to do my 1 month 1 Sailor Senshi tutorial. A lot of the ladies in this collab are doing panning projects, or they're doing like nail looks and all that good stuff. So I will have everyone linked down below. This is a Geeks and Beauties collab. I'm sorry the sun is like so bright over here. I'm really just trying to work with it. I don't know what's happening. Like, the one day I need to film, it's like super bright outside. It's been so dark and gloomy all week. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's all fine. So this week we are doing Sailor Mercury, which I can put a picture of up here. And so her colors are white, blue, and silver, so we are just going to jump in. I'm going to do my face makeup and brows and stuff off camera and then come right back. Okay, well, I did my face makeup. Literally the sun moved, so that's cool. It's like encroaching on me slowly. So I have some palettes here, and we're just going to hopefully not be blinded by the time this is done. So let's jump in. I have a couple different ones for blue. So I have my shadow box from Urban Decay. I have my Urban Decay Electric. There's a couple blues in there that are cool. And then I also have a Juvia's Place. This is the Masquerade Mini. And there's a couple really pretty blues in that top row. So I am just trying to figure out what I want to do. I don't have any matte blue shadows, which kind of sucks, but it'll be fine. So I think I'm going to go in my Urban Decay shadow box, and I'm going to use the shade Moon Shadow and kind of just throw that in my crease, and we're just going to go from there. So let's do it. I am also baking my under eyes right now. So, if you see something that looks like crack cocaine, it's not. It's just setting powder. I swear. I swear, officer, it's not drugs. Okay. And then I think I'm going to take the Chaos shade from my Urban Decay Electric, which is this like really bright blue, and I'm going to blend that in like my crease as well, just to kind of brighten it up. This Chaos shade is pretty powdery, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it does look really nice, so I can't be too mad, I guess. Okay. And then I am going to take, oh man, this is where the hard decisions come in. For my Masquerade Mini, I'm going to take the shade Dahlia right here by my finger and put it on like the back half of my front lid. That makes no sense. I'm going to put it towards my outer V, and then I'm going to use the shade Gonzo from my Urban Decay Electric palette and put that in my inner half of my lid space. Just because I'm like low-key obsessed with these Juvia's Place shadows. The shimmers are amazing. Whew. Man, I'm obsessed with this palette. Okay, and then just to keep it kind of blended, I'm taking that like thinner crease brush that I had the Urban Decay shadow on, and I'm just blending in between those two shades, just at the very edge to make it a little more seamless. And then I am going to take Gonzo from my Urban Decay palette, like I just said, and put it on the inner part. Okay. And I haven't used this one before, so let's see what happens here. Oh, it's like literally the same shade. Interesting. It doesn't look the same in the pans, but on the eyes, they be looking like twins. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Cool. Looking blue. Feeling blue. Being blue. I am going to run some of the Chaos shade under my lower lash line. On both sides. Then really quick before I go any farther, I'm going to sweep off that bake. And from this palette as well, there is a really pretty silver called Revolt. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. This is such a pretty shadow. Ooh, girl. Really hoping the lighting in this video isn't absolutely effed because I will be really, really sad. Okay, apologies. My camera overheated. Am I not in focus anymore? I really can't tell. So again, I'm sorry if I'm not in focus in the end. So I did really quick while my camera was cooling down. I went ahead and used one of my Wonder Woman and Walgreens blue eyeliners. This is in Superhero. It is a not super opaque, shimmery navy blue. And then just to add like a little bit of definition between my eyelashes and my liner, and then a ColourPop cream gel liner in Prance is what's in my waterline, and it's just a nice baby blue. I really like this one. I know I have a couple other ones like this, but I've decluttered some of them just because I don't like the way they perform. I also threw on a ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Honeymoon. This is the blue shift version to the pink one I used last month. I'm really obsessed with these, okay? And then I'm just gonna put mascara on really quick. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara. And I would do falsies, but I seem to have run out of eyelash glue. It's like the first time that's ever happened to me. And I'm really not sure where it went because it's not in my empties and it's not in my trash. So it just walked away. It's probably out in the world alone and scared. Doesn't know where to go or who to turn to. Just come home. Just come home. Okay. That was a little sloppy, but it's alright. So then for lips, I have a couple different things. So I do have a blue Kat Von D liquid lip, but what I have that I want to use, because there's not that much silver in this look, is I want to use this lip composite that I got in my Black Unicorn subscription service. And this is from House of Beauty, and it's in Platinum Beauty. It's a lip hybrid. My camera is about to overheat again, so I'll put this on and then come back to sign off. Okay, so I put on that lip composite from, like I said, House of Beauty. This is so impractical. Not like in any color. Like if this was like a pink or red and I could wear it, I wouldn't. So now that I know that, I'm going to declutter it. But isn't it pretty? It's very pretty, right? So pretty. So that is it for my look for this month, which is April, for my one month, one sailor Senshi video. Like I said, everybody else will be linked in the description box and the Geeks and Beauties Facebook page. Sorry, apparently my nail polish wasn't all the way dry and I just smudged it 3 hours later. Surprise. But I love you guys so much. Like I said, check everybody else out down below. And I'll have the sailors and everything listed, the scouts, so that if you want to join in, you definitely can. I love you guys so much. If you want to hang out with me anywhere else on social media, it's all down below. Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat's down there. You can hang out with me there. You can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And see my face more often. I forgot my own lines. Alright, I love you guys like I already said. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!